A warning from the White House for Atlanta. Its coronavirus task force discovering a troubling trend happening in our city. Atlanta, one of 9 cities in the U.S. with a concerning rate of coronavirus infections. Nick Sturdivant is live in Atlanta with more on what one coronavirus White House task force member is saying.
Hey, good morning, Sheba. White House coronavirus task force leader, Dr. Deborah Birx, revealed this information on a private call Wednesday with state and local officials from across the country. That's according to the Center for Public Integrity. According to the call that they obtained, Dr. Birx says we are seeing encouraging signs across the South, but goes on to say we are concerned that both Baltimore and Atlanta remain at very high levels. She also goes on to list other cities where there are concerns. The Center for Public Integrity posted a response from a White House spokesperson. It says the task force is providing tailored recommendations weekly to every governor and health commissioner for their states and counties. From the beginning, this has been a locally executed, state-managed, and federal-supported response. The spokesperson for the White House also goes on to say that there will not be another shutdown. Sheba.